Sunday dig with Unearthed in Cornwall. I'm out with a couple of friends. There's Bill. Hi Bill. And Andy. Hi Andy. He's not going to do no loopy loops behind me back today. But yeah, that's the ground. Well, that's one of the fields. We're in Devon. Enjoy and see you at the first hole. First hole. Probably not going to do very many live digs today. The amount of people that are here. But yeah, bit of lead. That's a 79.80. It's a straight line though. It's not a blob on the screen. It's just a straight line going along. Let's have a look. Possibly lead. It's stony. Oh no, what we got? No, it's not it. God, very stony. That's a buckle. It's a buckle. There you go. One buckle. Alright, got a 14. And it is a thimble. I have a thimble. Obviously dilapidated, but it's a thimble. Happy days. There you go. 36, 37. I'll do a live dig on this one, especially as it's not very far down. I found sound under the weather. It's lack of sleep. The weather wasn't very good last night. That's just a tin can. Just a bit of tin. $81, $82. Occasionally goes to 83. Little way down. Let's have a look. A bit of rust in that. Why is that not grunting at me then? If that's a rust. And that's a leaf. Bit of glass. Is it going to be a lid? Yep. That's why we wear gloves. There you go. I got 46, 47. The ground is very, very soft. And every step you take, you sink straight in. That is out. It's out. another buckle. Just another buckle. There you go. What is that? That's a weight of some sort. Got a hole through it. Let's scrape some of that mud off. Yeah, a weight of some sort. Plumb weight, I would have thought. Maybe it's not. Maybe that hole doesn't go through. No, it does. Well, there you go. A weight of some sort. God, I found one of these yesterday, similar to this. I would say this is off of a diesel tank or something like that. Certainly not off of a water tank. But yeah, another tank nut, so to speak. I'll turn you on. I don't know if it's a coin. Out of that hole, it was an 8. I don't know. I don't think it's a coin. No, it's a button. Oh well. First of all, I thought it was. There you go, a button. Yeah, bugger. Absolute bugger. Just a bit of tin. Yeah, to happen at some stage. Moo tube. Oh, what can you say? Look at that for a backdrop. Can't knock that, can you? No, it's out. Is it just a bit of tin? No, it's a ring pull. Never mind. I'll see if the pointer picks anything up. Bloody moo tube. Oh, dear me. Well, common green apparently. Oh dear. Got a 60, 61, mainly 61. Best signal I've had so far. Is that a coin? Or is that a flint? Possibly a coin. Or is it a button? That's a coin. Toasted. But coin's a coin. Happy with that. See if we can spray it up a little bit. See if we can get a bust. Oh, what's that? Yeah. Looking that way. There you go. What's that going to be? George II. They're all George II's, George III's, aren't they? I can never remember who faces which way now. My head's spinning. But yeah, he's facing that way. Just see the outline of his head and the body there. So there you go.